For years, Milenge District Hospital referred patients needing X-ray services to Mansa General Hospital, leading to higher costs and treatment delays. However, the installation of a government-procured portable handheld X-ray machine has enabled the facility to conduct some examinations locally.
When you look at our previous record, it clearly indicates that we used to send patients to our next level, which is Mansa General. So on a weekly basis, we would send almost close to 20 to 25, somewhere there, which was a huge cost for our institution. Because when you translate that into monetary form, it's giving almost about 9,000 on a weekly basis. But the introduction of this has actually eased the cost burden on management.
Meanwhile, radiography technologist Jordan Commander says the machine has improved diagnostic accuracy and reduced the number of unnecessary referrals.
The equipment is perfectly working. We are really happy for that. This one is basically for when you do maybe an outreach, also for those patients who have been admitted, those who are not ambulant, they can't move. Yeah, basically this is what you use. Since the patient can't move, you take the equipment there. It's handheld. Yes.
So far, we have made, I think, about 4 or 5, 6 clinically diagnosed with fractures. And if you look at physiotherapy, if you go that side, they are able now to work according to the diagnosis that we have given them.
Residents have since welcomed the development, describing it as a relief from the financial and logistical challenges